Do you want to know how to express your emotional feelings in Portuguese? Come with me, I'll teach you. Hi everyone, this is Clara Miguel. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Zadila TV. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to express your emotion and feelings. Okay? So if you wanna say, I am happy, I'm happy. In Portuguese we say, estou feliz, estou feliz, estou feliz. If you wanna say, I am sad, I'm sad. In Portuguese we say, estou triste, estou triste, estou triste. If you wanna say, I am in love, I'm in love, I'm in love with you, you can say, estou apaixonada, if you're a female. If you're a male, you can say, estou apaixonado, estou apaixonado. I am focused, I'm focused. If you're a female, you say, estou focada, estou focada. If you're a male, if you are a male, you can say, estou focado, estou focado. I am embarrassed, I'm embarrassed. In Portuguese we say, estou envergonhada. I am stressed. I'm so stressed. This is my word. I'm stressed. So if you want to say I am stressed in Portuguese, you can say, for female, estou estressada, estou estressada. For male, estou estressado, estou estressado. I'm so disappointed. I'm very disappointed with you. In Portuguese, we say, for female, estou decepcionada, estou decepcionada. For male, estou decepcionado. Estou muito decepcionado. I'm very angry. I'm very angry. I'm very, very, very angry with you. So if you want to say I am angry in Portuguese, for female we say estou chateada. Estou muito chateada. Estou chateada. Estou chateada. For male, estou chateado. Estou chateado. I'm so bored. I'm very bored in this house. I'm very, very bored in this house. So if you want to say I am bored in Portuguese, for female we say estou muito aborrecida. Estou aborrecida. Estou aborrecida. For male, estou aborrecido. Estou aborrecido in this house. Estou aborrecido. Estou aborrecido. I'm surprised. I'm surprised you didn't eat today. If you want to say I am surprised in Portuguese, for female we say estou surpreendida. Estou surpreendida. Ou estou surpresa. Ai, estou surpresa. Também fiz wrong. Or for male we say estou surpreendido. Estou surpreendido. I am worried. I'm worried. So if you want to say I am worried in Portuguese, for female we say estou preocupada. Estou preocupada. For male, estou preocupado. Estou preocupado. Estou preocupado. Thank you so much for this video. Now you know how to express your feelings and emotions in Portuguese. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.